Yo, what's going on, people? Andre here. I've literally got such a sick video today for you lot. I'm going to keep it nice and short again. Essentially, it's how to make the world's best LinkedIn profile. Shout out Natasha. I don't know your last name, but I watched all your videos and they helped me make a sickest LinkedIn profile. Quick disclaimer, this isn't set in stone for you. Like, I need you to test for success. So what I would do is I would change it perhaps every month, and you can just look about how many people viewed your profile, the messages you sent, when you sent like connections, like the average of people who accepted and viewed your profile and didn't accept and did accept. But with that out of the way, let's literally hop straight into it. So obviously, as you can see, unless you're blind, then you won't be watching this video. But anyway, as you can see, you're here, my LinkedIn profile. First thing is a cover photo. So you need a cover photo that stands out. Doesn't have to be some wild like Photoshop photo. You can literally go on Canva for free and just make it in like 2 minutes. If you don't know what Canva is, like just Google it. It's not rocket science. So yeah, that's that. You need to have a clear photo of your face. Now, when I first started out, I was like obsessing over the photo, what it was, thinking people were judging me. For the first like 2-3 years of my LinkedIn profile, I had like the most nerdiest picture, and then I changed it to this and it didn't make any difference. So the picture does not matter. Now, the juicy part. So we need to start off with the bio. Like, the bio really needs to say who you are and what you do. So yeah, I'll read it out if you can't read. I work with recruitment professionals to focus on your brand awareness, social media management, organic growth, PPC, and some social media paid advertisement. Now, if you don't offer them services, then obviously don't write it. Write down the services that you offer. And then you always want to have a money back guarantee or just some sort of guarantee. If you're just starting out, I would still put guarantee, like some sort of money back guarantee in there. You really need to think like what your guarantee could be. If you're struggling to find out what type of guarantee you would offer to entice people to sign up with yourself, like this video, drop me a comment and I'll make a full video on it explaining the different offers you can do, entice the people to make a decision on the call and sign up with your service. And then also as well, as you can see here, it just says read my about section, which I'll get into in a moment. If you've got eyes, which you most probably have, you can see that I've got emojis here. The reason I put emojis, I think I learned this from Rabbi. Rabbi, if you're somehow watching my videos, like, I love you. No, I'm joking. But if you are watching my videos, I like it, at least so I know you're there, because like, I need to meet you in person one day. But anyway, if you don't know who Rabbi is, subscribe to my channel and yeah, I might plug him. So anyway, the reason I have emojis is for it to make it stand out. Now, in a nutshell, if someone wants to like search your name or something, let's just type my name in. You can see straight away me compared to all the other. There's some Andres here, like he's got the flick on top of his E, like he's doing it right. I've missed the flick on the little flicky on top of my E to make it Andre. It's French, in case anyone's wondering. My mum loves tennis. If you know, you know. But anyway, guys, you can see that my profile stands out from everyone else just by having this little emoji in here. I've taught this to all of my students and they get inbound leads all the time, so it clearly works. So make sure you do that. And then I've really focused on my about section. It's taken me about 3-4 months to really craft it and make it the one. I've still got sober and addiction in here from my old niche. I went through a massive journey in my first 2 years of my agency. Were working with like addiction specialists and also addiction treatment centers, and it meant the world to me. And I've literally got a video planned to talk about how I got out of my 10-year weed addiction and like how it changed my life and everything like that. So if you're a young chap or a chap here and you're struggling with an addiction, stop smoking weed and going out drinking and doing drugs literally changed my entire life. I'll make a video and I'll just explain my entire journey. So yeah, if you want to see that, obviously meet me down below. Here, I've got like a video. This is the world's worst edit video. I paid someone off Fiverr, literally a $5 to edit the video. But essentially it's just some video testimonials and me interacting with my clients and stuff like that. If you are just starting out, or you're not just starting out and you haven't got any video testimonials, make sure you let me know, because I've got a strategy where I can get you 10 video testimonials from real people bigging up your chest, literally within a week. And if that, you're like, oh, how'd you do that if I haven't got any clients? Anyway, activity, this is really important. So I see so many other marketers liking things they probably shouldn't. Now, LinkedIn is a business platform. Go use Tinder if that's what you're interested in, right? But LinkedIn is for business. You should not be moving to any girls or trying to like, okay, fair enough if they're a marketer or they're in your niche, but guys, come on, man, like, just go on Instagram or just go on Tinder or something, or TikTok or something like that, if that's what you're doing. And on the other side, girls, you could probably get away with it, but keep it on Tinder. This is a business platform and business owners will check out your activity. Because even when I go to outreach a potential client, I'll look through their activity and see if it's someone I actually will get on with, and if they're commenting on things I don't like, or if they're a bit creepy or sharing some stuff like, you know, them anti-COVID people, you know, like, I don't want to go into it, but like, some people are too anti in it. So like, yeah, anyway, I'll move on. But just people, make sure that you're interacting with things that are relevant to what you do. Don't be trying to chirp on LinkedIn. So here with my about section, I've got what we can do. I've got exactly what would happen. I'm not going to read it all through now, because like, you can go to my LinkedIn profile and read it yourself. I explained how it's done, what it's like to work with me, all the benefits they get with working with myself. A quick nutshell of how they do it in 5 steps. You don't have to have 5 steps. You can do 2 steps, 3 steps, 1 step, whatever works best for you. And again, this is something that's taken me 3, 4, 5, 6 months to really like improve, you know. Now like I get inbound leads all the time, which is pretty nice. More of those stories and more of the story like what actually happened. So just give them like in a 12-year-old terms, like if a 12-year-old can't understand what you do, you need to make it more simple. I put why it works as well, so this is really important. I found this to be really important, because when they get on the call with me, they already really like trust me that I actually already know this knowledge. A little bit about here, and then keyword heavy. Feel free to mess about with these, you know, like I really messed about with these and now it just works. I haven't changed it in months. And if you're thinking, I can just go copy his LinkedIn profile, well done, Smarty Pants, like you generally can. Like, go, feel free to go copy my LinkedIn profile, like I don't care, you know, like just know where you got it from, the G in it. So yeah, that's that, people. And then experience. If you're putting where you went to school and you went to Cambridge University, good for you, bro. Good for you, but I hate to break it to you, no one cares. No one cares, right? And if you worked at a job, and especially if you're a marketer, right? And well, if you're watching this video, you obviously are. Like, if you're a marketer and you worked at a marketing agency and you learned a job in Tesco's, again, cool, like good story, but no one cares. No one cares. So use your experience wisely, right? You want to have literally your testimonials. So I need to update these because I've got so many more, but I'm just super lazy and it does the trick. You know, people don't ask me to like, oh, can I see some results and can I speak to this person, that person? I've never had that. I've put in the work for years, as you can see. So yeah, my results speak for themselves now. But if you're wondering how to do it, it's pretty bloody simple. Go to add position, and then you obviously want to put what you've done, like the company name and stuff like that. And you can add media as well. You can add a link. You can do it, I think it's like Trello, some sort of like a free video platform, or like I think you can do it with YouTube as well. And yeah, you just go on YouTube, obviously make it an unlisted video unless you want to list it, it's up to you. And then use that link and put the link in there, and you can literally have a description of what you've done for that business. And you can, instead of using the title like testimonial, you can just put the title of the actual company itself, or the business, or the name of the person, right? I don't really bother with the location, I don't see why it matters. So yeah, that's that, a little bit of free juice for you there as well. Skills. No, again, no one cares. Like, no business owner is going to go, oh, you only got 7 skills in this. If they do, they weren't going to sign up for you anyway. Recommendations, I haven't got any because I don't care. Another thing, which brings me on to another thing as well, like, these are probably from all other marketers, like, they are. And you know what's weird, that I find really weird? Other marketers will go and leave me a skill, and then they'll message me like, hey bro, I left you a skill, can you leave me a skill? No, I can't, mate. Like, how stupid can you be? I'm sorry to hurt anyone's feelings, but how stupid can you be? Like, imagine if a business owner did go to your skills and it was all other marketers and it wasn't anyone in their industry. Do you really think they're going to care what other marketers think of you? Because they can clearly see that they haven't paid you money. If you're a marketer and you go to leave someone a skill thinking you're going to get a skill back, how about you do some fucking outreach? How about that? So yeah, you can ask your clients if they want to leave you a skill, but again, no one cares. So yeah, that's that, people. That's how to make a killer LinkedIn profile. If you got any questions, anything like that, I guess drop me a comment. I'm new to YouTube, so like, take care, bless, brother.